If you've ever struggled with getting your text lined up perfectly in Adobe Photoshop, this tutorial is for you. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to align text, whether you're working inside a text box or positioning your words alongside other layers or elements on your canvas. Proper alignment isn't just about making your project look neat. It can dramatically improve readability and the overall visual impact of your design. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about aligning text within its own bounding box or with other text in the same layer. Start by selecting the text layer you want to work with. You'll use the Type tool for this step. Just click on the layer in your Layers panel or directly on the text in your canvas. It's important because selecting the right layer ensures you're not accidentally moving something else. Think of it like highlighting exactly the sentence you want to edit in a document. Now, to access more precise alignment controls, open the Paragraph panel. To do that, go up to Window in your top menu and then select Paragraph. This will pop open a panel. Don't worry if you haven't used it before. It's super helpful for fine-tuning how your text sits inside its box. If you look at the Paragraph panel, or sometimes you'll see these options at the top of your screen in the Control panel, you'll see a set of alignment buttons. You have Align Left, Center Align, Align Right, and Justify. Each one does something a little different. Align Left anchors all your text to the left side of the box, while Center Align will make your text sit in the middle, which is great for titles or balanced designs. Align Right shifts everything to the right edge, useful for certain layouts. And Justify, especially Justify All, spreads your text out so that every line fills the space from left to right, making a clean-edged block. This is most effective inside a defined text box, not just a single line. Take a moment to experiment with these buttons. Click between them and watch how your text changes. If it doesn't look quite right, don't worry. Just keep toggling until you get the look you're after. Sometimes, a slight adjustment is all it takes to give your design a professional finish. Next up, let's align text with other layers, or even position your text precisely on the canvas itself. This part is really useful if you want several elements lined up perfectly, like in a flyer or a social media graphic. First, switch to the Move tool by pressing V on your keyboard. With your Move tool active, select the layers you want to align. For instance, you might want your headline and your logo to line up along their left edge, or perhaps you want everything centered. Now, if you want to align your text layer relative to the whole canvas, here's a nifty shortcut. Press Ctrl+A if you're on Windows, or CMD+A on a Mac. This selects the entire canvas. When you do this with the Move tool, you'll notice more alignment icons pop up in the Control panel at the top of your screen. These are super powerful. They let you align layers not just with each other, but relative to your whole design space. Click one of the alignment icons, like Align Left Edges to bump everything to the left, or Align Horizontal Centers to make sure all selected layers are centered. There are also options to align the right edges, the tops, the vertical centers, and the bottoms of your layers. Imagine arranging photos in a grid. You want them all to start at the exact same spot, and these icons make it happen instantly. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect on the first click. You can always undo and try different options until your layout looks just right. It sometimes takes a bit of patience, but using these built-in alignment tools saves you tons of time versus nudging things around manually. And there you go. Now you know how to align text within its own box and in relation to other layers or your canvas in Adobe Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more Photoshop tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!